Make sure you make it so that the part with the on-off switch is, you know, accessible. Don't put the tape on the part with the on-off against the board, or then you can't turn it on and off. And you also want to make it, whoops, make it so that you can access it. So make it close enough to the edge. Not so you can see it, thank you. Not close enough so that you can see it, but close enough so that you can get your fingers underneath there to turn it on, which hopefully I'll be able to do. Okay, oh, electrical tape, even better. Duct tape is good too. Oh, does this mean I have to cut it, or can you rip it? Nope. Maybe you can rip it, I can't. Okay, this is better. That's easier. Okay, so we got those taped down. Excellent. Okay. All right, so there we have it underneath. Oop. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Evidently we'll need another one of these. I got sugar all over it. You got sugar on everything. I may have to tape it on with the electrical tape, we'll see. However you gotta do it. Whatever you gotta do, right? It's kind of heavy, you know, with the batteries in it. This mounting tape should hold it, but after all, it's meant to mount things. Probably not like that though. All right, there you go. All right, to cut the hole in the cape, I have my handy dandy dowel. And I'm just going to go down and hope that I actually am going to hit the center.
That's a plastic one, isn't it?
It's just a plastic,
PVC pipe?
No, it's not a PVC pipe. It's a plastic disposable dowel.
Okay.
Made by your favorite cake decorating company.
Excellent.
Hopefully, and I'm just turning it a little bit to try and get the cake to want to come out. Okay, so there's the cake that's inside. It's got raspberry filling. Now let's see if I got the hole. I don't know if I hit the hole or not. It'll be close. See? Wow, that's pretty impressive. Yes, I did. I did hit the hole. So what you're going to do now is you're going to do the same thing you did before and feed it up. Oh, actually, I need to put the dowel in, don't I? I have a dowel that's going to stay in there. This one's going to stay in there. I just had to get the cake out with that one. So let me cut this dowel. That way I won't get cake all over my wires. That'd be kind of not so tasty, huh? So I'm going to get a dowel. These are just garden cutters that I never used for the garden. They're only used for my cake stuff. Poor thing. All right. So I've got that in my cake. The nice thing about that is it also holds the wires for the poinsettia, which is really nice. Okay.
So that's on a cardboard now.
It's on a cardboard that's got a hole in it, okay, just like this did. Got cake on me. Ooh.
You.
Okay, so now we're going to, and I can't see, so I'm just going to feel where this is. There we go. There's the hole. Oh, I got a little bit of cake on that.
Let me know if you need some help.
Get the cake off my wire. Okay. Huh. Maybe my dowel isn't down all the way. That's supposed to stop that from happening, but evidently my dowel isn't down all the way. The dowel is supposed to be protecting it from cake crumbs. Okay, so there's that one. Let's get the other one in. This is probably the hard way to do this, but it's the only way I've ever done it. So you just stuff the tree up. There we go. And put some icing or sticky, mounting tape or something down there so the cake doesn't slide around on the board.